Hey guys, so before I'm going to let you off the hook, I just want to let you know that the video you're about to watch is part of a training course. To be precise, is one of the first videos in the first module. In this video, I'm going to explain very briefly as to why you should start with arbitrage. If you go on YouTube or online, most people will tell you that private label is the only surefire way to make money and that arbitrage is dead. And although I agree that eventually private label is far more profitable, simply because it's something you can scale up further than any arbitrage business can go, I don't think it's that black and white. You see, private label, although similar in some respects to arbitrage, is something I would consider a next step in your Amazon journey, but not the first step. And the reason why is actually quite simple. In order to be able to do private label properly, you'll need to have capital, a solid understanding of the Amazon system, and practical knowledge and experience in digital marketing. Now everything except for the last point is something you can attain by doing arbitrage. On top of that, you will get ungated for less competitive categories over time. And because you will be dealing with the Amazon system on a regular basis, you will most likely find a few great private label ideas along the way. Also not unimportant, you will develop an eye for what makes a listing good and what makes a listing bad. Now if this video has piqued your interest and you would like to know more about our training course, then the only thing you need to do is sign up for our newsletter. I've put a link to this in the description down below.